Good morning. This is Echo from Itemptech. Welcome to InfoComm 2026 Las Vegas. So let me introduce you our post terminal display for you guys. So the one you're seeing there is our BF series. It's a self-service payment terminal that integrated with the printer, QR, and then also the card reader. And then we are able. This product is also able for like the people who are on wheelchair because we add the lifting for this kind of product, and then also we have the black keyboard for the people who are unable to see the menus. And currently, the product is available in size 27 and 21.5 inch, and we integrated most of their components. And we also are able to customize like different kind of requirement to such as the dual camera, and then for all those areas that we can customize as you wish. So it also have different installations. Easy, basically you can also add with a floor stand and also install on the table or wall mount. So if you are interested in this product, please asking us from our website www.itemptech.com for more information. Thank you.